Hi everyone. We will see how to create a virtual device for running your Android app. I will tell you too how to run your app on a real Android phone later in this course. In this video, we just see a virtual device. An Android virtual device is an emulator configuration that allows developers to test and run Android applications on a computer without needing a physical device. Although an Android virtual device doesn't have all the features of a real Android phone, the benefit is that we can make changes and quickly see them on your desktop while developing your app. We see no devices here, as we haven't yet had a virtual device. Firstly, we click on the Device Manager tab or Tools, Device Manager. And then we click on Create a Virtual Device. In the Virtual Device Configuration screen, we can see a Category tab to create kinds of virtual devices such as phones, tablets, Wear, TVs, and so on. Next, we can see some virtual phone devices such as Pixel 9, 8, 7, etc. Some virtual phone devices will support the Play Store, which means that it has Play Store installed, and with each model, we can also know about the resolution and density of that model. We will create a Pixel 9 Pro virtual device, and then click Next. In the next screen, we will choose an Android system image to be installed in the Pixel 9 Pro virtual device. This means that we need to choose an Android OS version to be installed on the Pixel 9 Pro. We will choose Android 15. If you haven't downloaded yet the system image, you can click on the icon to download it. Then we click Next. In this screen, we can see the configuration summary for the Pixel 9 Pro virtual device. We can see more about some advanced settings, but we can keep the default enough for now. Then we click on Finish to create the Pixel 9 Pro virtual device. Okay, we can see that the Pixel 9 Pro is created, and we can also edit or delete, etc. in this menu. Now we try to run the Pixel 9 Pro to see how it looks. The Pixel 9 Pro is launched, showing similar to a real Pixel 9 Pro that has Play Store pre-installed. Okay, we have already seen how to up a virtual device. See you in the next lecture.